Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and list them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Introduction: Illuminating the Path to Plant Success with the best LED grow lights for indoor plants. In the realm of indoor gardening, the key to thriving and vibrant plants lies in the quality of artificial light sources. As horticultural enthusiasts, cultivators, and green thumbs alike increasingly embrace the benefits of indoor gardening, the demand for efficient and effective lighting solutions has grown exponentially. Among these lighting solutions, LED grow lights have emerged as the veritable champions of plant cultivation within the confines of our homes. So let's get started. On number 3, Mars Hydro. The article Mars Hydro TS 1150 watts, Full Spectrum Grow Light, 2023, is a comprehensive review of the Mars Hydro TS 1000 Full Spectrum Grow Light, written by author Daniel Aselli in February 2023. The author uses this grow light to cultivate hot chili peppers and ornamental plants in a 3 by 2 feet grow tent. The review highlights the importance of powerful grow lights, especially for demanding plants like chili peppers, which require lighting intensity similar to full sunlight. The Mars Hydro TS 1000 is a 150 watts full-spectrum grow light equipped with 354 LEDs that can cover an area of up to 2.5 by 2.5 feet, 76 by 76 cm. On number 2, Spider Farmer SF4000. The Spider Farmer SF4000 LED grow light, as reviewed by Shane Torpy, offers exceptional value and performance. It is designed for a 4 feet by 4 feet, 120 centimeters by 120 centimeters, grow space and is equipped with high-quality components, including Meanwell drivers and Samsung LM301B LEDs. This full-spectrum light boasts good efficiency and even light distribution. Spider Farmer has transitioned from blurple lights to this new SF series, eliminating the purple light and noisy box fan LEDs. The SF4000 features daisy chain control and onboard dimming capabilities, making it an excellent choice for growers looking for an efficient and high-quality lighting solution. On number 1, Spider Farmer SF2000. The Spider Farmer SF2000 LED grow light is reviewed by author Jamie. This full-spectrum, pro-grade grow light is equipped with high-quality components, including authentic Samsung diodes and a Meanwell driver. It's suitable for various grow tent sizes, making it an ideal choice for personal-sized grows. The key takeaways from the review include the light's efficiency, full-spectrum capabilities, and cost-effectiveness compared to other pro-grade lights. The SF2000 is recommended for those setting up their first grow tent or replacing and expanding their current grow light systems. In conclusion, the world of indoor plant cultivation has been illuminated by the incredible capabilities of LED grow lights. These innovative lighting solutions have revolutionized the way we nurture our indoor gardens, offering a spectrum of benefits that cater to the diverse needs of our beloved plants. From replicating the sun's natural light spectrum to enhancing energy efficiency and reducing heat emissions, LED grow lights have become an indispensable tool for both seasoned horticulturalists and beginners in the art of indoor gardening. So guys, this was the video about the best LED grow lights for indoor plants. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.